Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Hassan Saeed and I welcome you all at WebDoc Health Session. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic with you people that is frequently taking place in our societies, and unfortunately it's life threatening too, and the condition is known as myocardial infarction and commonly known as heart attack. So you people must know what heart attack is and how it takes place. Myocardial infarction or heart attack takes place when the blood flow decreases or stops to a part of the heart, resulting in the damaging of heart musculature. For example, if this is your heart and the blood supply is going throughout the musculature of the heart, but if the blood flow stops or decreases at this point, so that area will be affected because of the lack of the blood supply and results in the damage to the tissue and the musculature of the heart. Now, in this manner, the heart attack takes place. Furthermore, you have to know the symptoms of the heart attack or myocardial infarction, because in this condition, early recognition and immediate treatment are the life-saving tools. So let's discuss about the symptoms of the heart attack. The initial most common symptom is chest pain. Chest pain takes place in the center of the chest or towards the left side, maybe traveling towards the shoulder, arm, neck, jaw and towards the back. Other symptom includes shortness of breath, feeling faint, cold sweats, tiredness and maybe sometimes associated with nausea and vomiting. Now we will discuss about the risk factors. Risk factors include high blood pressure, obesity, smoking, high blood cholesterol, lack of exercise, family history and male sex. Now we will discuss about the prevention. As I told you that prevention is better than cure in every disease. So you can prevent this myocardial infarction or heart attack by simply modifying your lifestyle. You have to quit smoking if you are a smoker. You have to have exercise on daily basis. You have to avoid junk food, fatty food or oily food. You have to quit beverages, or if you are obese, you have to reduce your weight. Now the most important part of this discussion is treatment. If anybody around you is having heart attack or you are suspecting a case of myocardial infarction, you have to take that patient to the hospital on immediate basis. And if you are working in any hospital setup, like if you are a staff nurse or you are a doctor and you receive the patient suspecting of myocardial infarction, you have to treat that patient with MONA. MONA is an acronym just to remember easily. So MONA stands for M for morphine. Morphine is an opioid that controls the chest pain. O stands for oxygen. You have to give supplemental oxygenation to the patient who are presenting with shortness of the breath. Then nitroglycerin. Nitroglycerin decreases the workload of the heart by dilating the arteries and the veins. And A stands for aspirin. Aspirin is very effective. It prevents the further clot formation and helps to prevent the further damage to the heart. Thank you so very much. That's all for today. Stay blessed. Ramadan Kareem. Subscribe our channel and share this video as much as you can.